everyone, it's Ren here with Perfect Aire. Today I'm going to be talking to you all about our ultrasonic humidifier. With a tank capacity of 1.4 gallons, this humidifier can run up to 36 to 38 hours. This unit is ideal for medium-sized rooms such as living or family rooms, bedrooms, studio apartments, and more. This humidifier has an essential oil pod where you can just add your favorite aromatic oils or scents, and these are released through the mist for some refreshing air. Aromatherapy is really great for things like stress relief, relaxation, improving focus, and just to make your space smell amazing. To use this feature, you want to go ahead and first remove the mist nozzle from the top of the unit to access the essential oil pod. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oils and then add the essential oil pod and nozzle back onto the unit. If you want stronger fragrance, leave the aromatherapy pod cap off. And if you want less fragrance, leave the cap on. This humidifier also has easy to use mechanical controls so you can adjust the amount of mist flow, and the 360-degree nozzle at the top allows you to choose the direction of the mist, which I really like because it's super convenient. The humidifier includes an active carbon filter to remove any pollutants, contaminants, and germs from the water for overall healthier air in your space. And this filter is also permanent and internal, so you never need to worry about changing it out. The unit also has an auto shut-off feature, so the humidifier will automatically shut off when it's completely out of water, and the refill indicator light will turn red as a reminder for you to go ahead and refill the tank. How great is that? Because you can just turn on your humidifier and go on about your day with no worries. Now let me show you how easy it is to start using this ultrasonic humidifier. First, you want to press the button at the top of the tank cap to remove it, just like this. And you want to fill the tank with water. I recommend using a pitcher because that's just the easiest. Now you just want to put the tank cap back on, turn the output dial clockwise, the green light will turn on, and now you're ready to enjoy the mist. Finally, to get the longest life out of your humidifier and keep it working in top condition, I really recommend that you clean your unit out weekly using a mixture of water and vinegar, and to make sure you keep your unit on a flat and water-resistant surface. Indoor air quality is so important, and with this ultrasonic humidifier, you can stay healthy and comfortable in your home. You can find this product at major online retailers like Amazon and Wayfair, and to learn more about this product and other great products, visit us at perfectaire.us. I'm Ren, thank you so much for watching.